This is how to store your Casa Inc. 10-inch outdoor gas fire tree. Proper storage of your fire tree is essential for maintaining your product and extending the life of your purchase. First, we will take a regular plastic storage bag and seal the lava rocks inside. Make sure you're not adding any debris that may have fallen into your fire tree while it was outside. And of course, never touch the lava rocks when they're hot. If you kept your fire tree outside like me, you may have to clear it of any debris like acorns, leaves, or twigs. We have some dirt on this tree. It's nothing a paper towel and warm water with soap can't fix. Now that our tree is free of all lava rocks and wiped off, we can flip it upside down. Rotating counterclockwise, we can untwist the 1-pound propane tank. Make sure to seal your propane tank with the cap it came with. Once sealed, we will put everything away inside the box it came in and store it away. We suggest choosing a temperature-controlled environment in a space that is not enclosed. Your options will vary based on your geographical location. Be sure to subscribe and turn notifications on for more instructional videos. And of course, we're here for you this season, and we'll see you the next.